Hey everyone, I'm Stuart with InvisiLights, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your InvisiLight system to your Wi-Fi network. Let's get started. So why connect to Wi-Fi instead of Bluetooth? It unlocks additional features like scheduled timers for specific dates, sunrise and sunset actions, and integration with your home's smart system. Step 1. Open your InvisiLights app. If you're already connected via Bluetooth, you'll need to disconnect first. To do this, tap and hold your system until a menu appears at the top of the screen. Then tap the delete button. If you haven't connected to your system yet, or once you've disconnected, tap the Add Device button or the plus sign at the top of the screen. Locate your system and tap on it. Now you'll see options to connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Choose your Wi-Fi network, enter your password, and then hit Confirm. If the device doesn't connect, double-check your Wi-Fi password for any errors in capitalization, numbers, or special characters, then try again. Once connected, your InvisiLight system will join your Wi-Fi network, giving you access to all the extra smart features our system offers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our next tutorial for more tips on getting the most out of your InvisiLight system.